Hello everyone and welcome back to the next installment in our series Learn Math with Python. Today we're diving deep into the world of arithmetic using Python as our trusty companion. We'll explore addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and mixing operations. Let's get ready to unleash the power of Python and breeze through some number crunching. Before we dive in, make sure to fire up your Python environment. Whether you prefer Jupyter Notebook or your favorite Python editor, get ready to roll. Personally, I'll be using Jupyter Notebook for its speed and ease of use in executing Python code. Let's start with the classic addition. I won't belabor the point, assuming you're already familiar with the concept from your school days. I'll simply type in a simple sum like 4 plus 3 and let Python work its magic. While mentally calculating this sum might be a breeze, it demonstrates just how effortlessly Python handles addition, even with larger numbers like 1946 plus 432. Next up, subtraction. It's as simple as typing in 5 take away 3, and boom, that's 2. No issue. Python's got you back when it comes to subtracting numbers. Time for some multiplication. While you might initially reach for the X symbol, as in traditional mathematics, in Python we use the asterisk symbol. Watch as I type 3 times 3 and execute the code. Bosh. It's 9. Python handles heavy-duty multiplication with ease, just like your trusty calculator. Let's push the limits with something like 345 times 654. That's a piece of cake for Python. Last but not least, we have division. Picture it like slicing a delicious pie. To perform a division operation, we use the / symbol instead of the classic division symbol. Try 3 divided by 4, and boom. It's 0.75, neatly served up by Python. Let's spice things up a bit. How about trying 3 times 3 plus 1 take away 5? The answer's 5, right? But hold on, it's crucial to understand the order of operations here. This is known as bidmus or PEMDAS. I'll delve into it further in another video. However, as a rule of thumb, and to ensure the correct calculation, it's best to wrap the 2 parts of the sum in parentheses like so. In this way, Python knows to prioritize multiplication first, followed by subtraction, and finally, addition. However, while Python correctly handles the order of operations in this case, there are scenarios where this may not be the case. And there you have it, folks. We've explored basic arithmetic with Python as our trusty sidekick. But guess what? This is just the beginning of our Python journey. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and remember, keep coding and keep exploring. See you in the next one. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos in this series coming your way soon.